The Holy Quran is the revealed word of God, providing comprehensive instructions and wisdom for all aspects of human existence. As the complete guide for living life according to Islam, the Quran offers guidance on spiritual matters, outlining the fundamental beliefs and practices of the faith. The Quran teaches the oneness of God, the necessity of worship and obedience to the divine, and the importance of leading a righteous life. Beyond spiritual guidance, the Quran addresses the practical realities of the human experience, offering directives on ethical conduct, social relationships, and moral principles that promote justice, equality, and the well-being of individuals and society. The Quran's comprehensive nature is evident in its ability to address the most complex and bewildering problems faced by humanity. It provides solutions to questions regarding the distribution of wealth, the relationship between the individual and society, and the true status and purpose of human existence. These solutions are grounded in the principles of truth, justice, and the recognition of human dignity. The miraculous nature of the Quran is manifested in its unparalleled literary excellence and its ability to stir the hearts and minds of its readers. This divine quality serves as a testament to its divine origin and its enduring relevance for all of humanity. By following the guidance of the Quran, Muslims are able to achieve a balanced and harmonious life, both in the worldly and spiritual realms. The Quran's teachings promote the cultivation of virtues such as compassion, honesty, and self-discipline, enabling individuals to fulfill their duties towards God, their fellow beings, and their own selves. The Quran's status as the complete code of life is further reinforced by the fact that it has remained unchanged and preserved in its original form since its revelation, a testament to the divine promise of its protection. This ensures that the guidance and wisdom contained within the Quran remain accessible and applicable to all generations of Muslims. In conclusion, the Holy Quran is the comprehensive and perfect guide for living life according to the teachings of Islam. Its divine origin, unparalleled literary excellence, and timeless relevance make it an indispensable source of guidance and wisdom for all who seek to lead a righteous and fulfilling life.